This broccoli dish is anything but boring. Broccoli rice casserole is packed with cheddar, so it's super cheesy. It has fresh broccoli and a nice crispy panko crust. You start by cooking rice, and while that's cooking, you can prepare all of your ingredients so they're ready to go. Like and subscribe if you love easy recipes. Briefly boil broccoli 1 or 2 minutes and then cool it under running water. It's going to continue baking in the oven where it's going to get a little bit more tender, so it should not be super tender at this point. Set it aside for now. In a large pan on medium-low, cook butter and onion until soft, about 5 minutes. Just keep stirring it as you go. Whisk in flour, garlic, salt, and pepper. Stir that again for a couple minutes until well combined. Raise burner temperature to medium heat. Whisk in milk while pouring it in the pan. Stir for a few more minutes as it bubbles until it reduces at least in half. Remove sauce from the heat and whisk in dry mustard, paprika, cream cheese, and 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. You want to keep stirring until the cheese is melted. It's going to smell so good right at this point. Now you'll see it's time to combine everything together and pop it in the oven. So you want to add the cheese sauce, rice, and broccoli to a large baking dish and mix it all together. Then in a small bowl, you want to make the panko topping out of some melted butter, panko crumbs, and Italian spices. Mix in a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, and then it's time to top the casserole. I am getting so hungry just looking at this. I hope you make it soon. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. You know the casserole is done when the cheese is bubbling and the panko crumb topping is golden brown. Doesn't this look amazing? You can print out all the recipe steps for this and other yummy dishes that you didn't even know were possible to make in your own kitchen at sipbitego.com. Don't forget to finish with a little sprinkle of fresh herbs. It just finishes the dish. Look at the beautiful inside. Holy shamoly. I'll leave you the link to sign up for my free recipe newsletter. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers.